Our client Lauren was having a really difficult time with her pantry. They had a bit of an infestation of the little critters that love to live inside open packages. And they were also having a difficult time with keeping up with what they had in the pantry before things expired. I think the primary reason was just they didn't have really good categories. So everything was just kind of shoved wherever there was space, which made it really difficult for them to know exactly what they had. And then they would spend a lot of money kind of buying duplicate food or having a lot of food waste. So we came in and cleaned out the entire pantry. We created zones for everything. We got rid of everything that had been expired. And then we decanted a lot of the open food into airtight containers, which helped with the little bug problem that they were having. And by creating zones, and really prioritizing the shelves that were easy to access for the food that they're eating all the time. Not only does the pantry look so much more appealing, but they can see everything that they have. It's very easy for them now to know when they're out of something or when they have too much of something. And we also created a little station of eat first foods, and we labeled them by their upcoming expiration dates. This is a really good way of making sure that you're not wasting money and food resources, just by knowing kind of when things are about to expire so you can prioritize cooking or eating those foods. And then we also created a little grab and go snack station for her little one using a divided turntable so he can just kind of spin it around and choose whatever snack he's feeling. We love the finished result of this space. Again, the products that we used were a lot of the OXO pop top containers for the airtight food storage and some can risers to make food a little bit more visible, and then just some baskets to give things a little bit more containment.